Reverse engineering an open impeller is challenging because even with accurate scan data and the right software, success depends on having a controlled and systematic modeling approach. For the hub, a controlled modeling approach is needed because the shape is more geometric, rotational, and structured. The goal is to rebuild it as clean, editable engineering geometry instead of copying every small variation from the scan. For the blades, the strategy is different. Because the blade surfaces are freeform and curved, they need a surfacing workflow that can balance scan accuracy with smooth surface quality. And before the model can be used for real engineering work, it needs both deviation validation and smoothness analysis. Whether you want to test QUICKSURFACE, purchase the software, or learn from more reverse engineering tutorials, contact 3D Wonders. Our team can help you choose the right solution and build the workflow around your actual application. If you want to apply this kind of workflow to your own parts, that is where 3D Wonders can help. We help teams evaluate the right reverse engineering software, understand the workflow, access trial options, and move from scan data to usable engineering models.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.